guys, what's up? I'm Lati. Want to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. We'll come and support Jammiwood TV, okay? Peace out.
Ay, could cover up.
What deal?
You see best friend asleep.
Eh.
And he tell me first that she dead. What she a do? Jamila! What do her?
You girl is sleepy. What deal?
Me not hear no bongi.
I think I'm asleep for your bongi. You
Yeah.
your body.
Me not see my breed. Yes, no. What go happen?
What do you mean?
What if he do?
We don't know what to do. Get done with it.
What if he do?
Alright. Is this in time now? We're not nobody fine now. So we have to go bury her.
Yes, no. She parents them gonna go see her back again.
Shut up. You want guardian?
I know that me see them
You
them.
want guardian?
What do me go jail? A school me a go. Why can't tell me about jail, Jamila?
I don't know what me do with you.
What make me go jail? What you say about jail? Why you say that?
Alright, so let me tell you. Bestie is not sleeping. She dead. Why the hell only carry the ball in her head for?
So I don't know she been kill you. She dead. I mean wait.
Yeah.
This friend is
What? What is?
This friend is Miss
So man, what?
So we going to jail for you.
I tell you one more time.
You tell me my best friend did not sleep. Stop bullying me. I'm saving life. What? I don't pick.
Well, she didn't know.
You see, no, you kill me.
You want to guardian?
No.
You're blasting mo.
I don't mean to be
Hey,
noise.
shut up! I'm personally the car ride with the ball. So shut up.
What are you going to do?
We'll go bury her. When you bury her, Then this other will go secret, so keep them out shut. If you ever clean their hand one more time and get them up in the head.
No, human being no fi bury. That is your animal fi bury. Me see bury the puppy when he did no iron and I dirt. You can't put best friend on the dirt.
Woman, me can bury too. Why are you why?
No, if you go in and see and burn this.
Alright, you want to go? You want to burn anybody and show them nice?
You can't burn this. You can't burn best friend. Alright, what we are going to do?
You want to go to this or no?
We want the beef. We want the beef.
You want to go to or you want to go to jail?
No.
You want to continue to school?
Yeah, want to school.
Okay, then keep him out loud.
Want scholarship.
Scholarship. So keep him out loud.
Yeah, want scholarship.
Yeah, keep him out loud.
Oh, wait. We do it, best friend.
Keep your mouth and not ask no questions. Alright, what can I know? What can I know? Make your best friend mess already. This is not your best friend. Okay? And if you come back in her, so make her know. So I save you.
So I want to be best friend, just get up.
Yes.
Are you killing up the best friend?
Yes, I'm save you.
You saved my life.
Anybody else do more favor?
What color you want?
Favor color one.
I'm moving, you know.
Where is this?
Music.
You're going to do me a favor.
What that mean?
That means you one time somebody do something for you, you turn on the back something for them.
Oh, somebody do something for you and then...
You have to do that for you, can't do it for you already. So you can do the back something for me.
Oh, you want to do nothing for me? Alright.
So what are you going to do for me now? Is return going to bury her. You want the dog to come back in her and come haunt you? You want the dog to come back in her and come haunt you?
Oh, we don't bury things to use.
I will get them for you.
We never get views.
No worry yourself, just meet me in the night, simple.
My father said me allergic to dirt. I'm ridiculous.
Hey boy. Nice.
Which part?
No one show you which part.
I know first. Alright.
That pink.
Alright.
That pink.
Alright. So, I get figure out funeral clothes.
How are you talking about nobody? You have money?
Where's the best friend?
You have money?
I think my best friend parents. It's the best friend that's now put on tuxedo suit.
You have money? You didn't tell nothing all this keeping because you're buying this and know about this.
Oh,
It's a secret, okay?
secret funeral.
No, it's just a secret overall. Just speak to her with nobody else.
Oh, and we can be best friend and girlfriend and boyfriend.
He would have done girlfriend and boyfriend already. Why? How much money I have?
I never remember.
I remember what?
Yeah, off me every minute. I'm going to go home and get sweaty news and then you go beat me and tell them, come on, me can go on please. You know I'm very best friend. Alright. Come on. Come on.
Hope you could go on this command.
Yes.
Yeah, I buy taxi me away from me up on the beach side. Yes, me not get no car and them sitting there. You have to understand. You drive, you walk foot. Try remember that you walk. Yes, you have to circle your cake home. I'll wait till when I get taxi. Yeah.
What's here? Hello.
Hello. Me soon call you back.
How are you catch up here, so I do?
Nothing, me I wait on bike taxi. Me I go down on the beach side.
Where I go from beach side, go do another time at night.
Wow.
Go walk.
Yes. With somebody and talk.
Where I walk and talk. So, me know say they expel you cause you're there at school in a bathroom or in a corporate business. Oh, you're for there at school and don't have sex
Auntie,
with
let
a
me tell
girl?
you, it's not like that. It's not like that. Then just many youth in a batch with that kiss her. Whenever they have sex, but that's the true principal are always right. And if me not gonna prove them wrong or nothing, so I say
You know,
okay.
funny principal no say that she would say it.
She never see me do it. Let me tell her, you would come next, you come in the bathroom, ask see. I run go tell her, say, we in the bathroom and prepare the sex in the bathroom, but not like that, never that happen. We just start talk and kiss whenever I have no sex.
When I go to school, I book you go to school to learn.
Yeah, true.
You not go to school for man. So me don't know how you for their school in a bathroom with boy pitting till they expel you. So what you do for yourself now?
Me I go get my work. I'm gonna try to get my work, but at the moment, I go out, talk to mommy, and mommy say, I go out.
For your mother have all time because me never send her back. She have whole heap of time.
But you know what I come to think about it, auntie. I see your daughter today, you know. I remember me and I did friend, I see her today.
Yeah, me know, see her, where see her?
She don't come from school, and me and I talk and me say hi if you're good. And we and I just talk and laugh.
Oh, so you see her? I see her.
Yeah.
No, me no see her. I come home from work.
And after 7 now?
I come from 5 o'clock and I no see her at 7 o'clock now. And you see her when she come from school?
Yeah, and if I'm should have walk with some other pitney and me ask her if she go with top and me like, you know so me and her good friend. We don't talk and stuff and we laugh. Then she said she a come go and I say,
Still me glad my daughter no follow you because me mother murder it. I'm glad she not follow you because me don't know how you fit their school and a boyfriend with 2 twins.
no, the other brother did talk or watch. The other brother would talk to your daughter.
Watch?
Yeah, she didn't talk to your daughter, but never did with
So me
him.
don't mix my daughter on the
Well,
so my
you
daughter
soon
not
find
go
out.
to school.
Well, you soon find out.
Yeah, me I can't go over my yard. Take care of you and your business.
Yeah, I could go on here, so. How about the person?
I don't know, you know. Yeah, 12 o'clock now she not reach her, you know. But me know she go there when her friend them yard, man. Cause normally she would have asked me for permission and she could have sleep over on her girlfriend yard, but she no call me, not say nothing to me, and me not have no time. I get up for 12 o'clock now. Me not have time. I go up on the road and go look for no little girl right now, you know. So she has to go wait till the morning. I go look for her. No, me not think me will come and no work tomorrow because I say she for wash the uniform them and she no come in come wash them. Yeah. Now worry yourself about that, man. Me I go tell the boss say me sick or me I want emergency or something. As me say, me a call her phone and me nah get her and the little girl nah have no decency to call me and say, Mommy, you know say me go sleep over XYZ yard or what. Me can go, make me say yes or make me say no or make she come do what she do if you do in her yard first and then she can go for her friend. She don't do nothing like that. She just take up herself and go on a people yard. Well, I don't know which one her friend yard she there, you know. But as me say, tomorrow when me get up and go look, me go look around at Jamaica first and go check if me see her around there. If she not around there, she be check on her friend yard because remember say school pitting them, you know, they have one of a girlfriend because they love friend and company. You know that already, man? Yeah. Alright, if anything, you know, tomorrow me call her and make you know wow. I go try call her one more time if she no answer. And my bed me I go come as me say me now go on the road now me girl now night at 12 o'clock I go to 1 o'clock now. Can't go on the road right now. Right now me tired. Alright Sharon, take care of yourself. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but no, sir, if I'm more day, me have to talk, really. You know what I mean? Well, me sit down with her and try to ask her things in the past. But since we come back and she lose the baby, but school, she's back in her school and everything good. The scholarship and everything is back on track. I feel a way how she do things and how the baby lose the baby and things still. Your mother, you know, you should have been more closer in her life. Because you know, me have to make sure say me reach my goals, right? Because as a old boy, when you catch certain time and the bengaleng now work, me have to use the finger them. So me have to ensure say, girl don't like that, you know. They like the bengaleng, so you have to have money to keep them around. Go on in company. Go on them dance with me and them so me I try to make the money. Right? Me I get older. As me get older, me go need that money. So as a woman, you should have spent some time with your daughter. You can come down. Me not stop you. Tell your man say you come link your daughter, you come link her often. You can't come to do everything. Alright? But anyway, we don't know one or there or one or rare this that or what or who get her pregnant. That should be a conversation where you and her have. Because I don't want to think about her and do nothing for you to get her youth. Because I kick her down, you know. Though it's kind of complicated. We want a grand picnic, but I don't want to do it before time. But you don't come and gone already, so anyway. That's that. But today I go to school in the morning and I go walk. But you have to come look for your picnic and check her. There's a walk with mama. See Mother's Day pass what day there, you don't get nothing from her. Because you're not present in her life. Anyway, time around. I'm coming and she texts her and come out. Jamila! Yeah. You now go to school, girl. Come in. Because if you don't call, you don't come out. You know say no. With all of the things that are gone already, we now go back on the past. They're back on the track now. Hope you do the right thing. But anyway, you're good though.
Mm-hmm.
You say your prayer this morning, get up?
Yes.
Make sure. You say your prayer last night?
Mm-hmm. I'll do it over there last night, so you know.
Alright. Anyway. Why run in the road just so wrangle up? Why run just wrangle up? I can't see one of my white sheet. Go round there. Because white sheet, we kept at work. When I paint out some place, we use white sheet. One of white sheet then missing. And the place, we know say missing. You take up on a white sheet?
No. How you take up it? I don't know what you do with it.
I don't see it around there. But anyway, don't know for that. I don't know if somebody tell that work, you have some second, then really this, that. Alright. You go take the money and buy some things to go out when you come from school this evening. You buy, you could be selling things already. You go to the meat shop, you buy the meat where you eat. You buy the top of the grocery store, you buy some look at this, some look at that. You get some coconut milk, because you know you're not great type. So Sunday we can't fix your one dinner, because I have to go talk Sunday, sit down and talk. I'm going to invite your mama down, and we have to sit down and talk. Don't the argument, man. Don't the argument. Because when she push you out, she will kiss you and so. Right? When you come out of her vagina. So, alright. So you is our daughter and you are our picnic. Alright? So you can't say no one see your mama. Unfortunately, oh yeah, now things work out. We don't care about that. We have to make up things because the work I turn up and now and can't be around every day. For supervise, you can see that you catch belly one day, you catch belly and you dash it. No, I don't say dash it away. Well, you jump away.
Oh, you just fix
No, you jump away then. You accidentally dive away. Because I told you yesterday, you say dive from your belly. You jump away then.
No.
What you do? You jump.
Slide.
You slide away then. You slide away.
No, I don't really have to.
Alright. One at school, then say you learn, stick to your book. Pinky she. No follow, no what our company. Lord Pinky Company, because she don't mean you no good. One. When you come in later, I question you. Come on, know how water walk a pumpkin belly, boy you ain't fat up. So who is the father?
You don't need to know that.
You don't need to know that. You don't know manners. No, go them and know this. Boy.
Later, mommy. Me I go school because me I hurry up go school because I know it's my first day. Got your name.
Stay safe.
Stacy. Think you ready?
Yeah, I mean by think ready. And last night I don't see that little girl. I done a yard me I come for ask her if I done there she sleep last night.
No. Because I don't like people sitting in my yard.
I mean by no, Pinky no come in none at all last night. I'm a talk up Pinky get up already, go to school. I don't see that but that little girl. I wait one time in Waller I go see she go find out which God she has served.
Oh, your friend me know Pinky have a me and tap link in the choice. You get to me up. What take tap link card?
Check that link. That I call Brown Youth.
Yeah.
I don't know that little girl there. But I the good on the road, I must box somebody when we see her or something.
Okay, because I have been calling her for a when I'm not get her phone.
So you are then the same thing, me I call her and me not get her neither. A little girl even call me and say, Mummy, I go see about one of my friend yard or she don't call me none at all. See there, as she normally wash me uniform when we go work. And me have to call in and tell me boss that me no feel so good, me have to take me day off today. Because she knows I just get a job. I'm a real critical in my job, you understand? And the little girl come in to wash my uniform to me get to go work this morning. If I ever want a little girl lazy.
I'm so thinking that she come home because she left me not see her.
She left me not see her. So you and I left school the same time yesterday?
Yeah.
And found that you don't see her?
I not see her, but...
Jesus. I see that little girl want to murder her, you know?
Oh, wait. Let me tell you a little secret. Although you have been adult, but let me tell you something. She have a crush on Paul.
Paul.
Yeah, you know the black sharp one, the weapon with tap link. Yeah. So, if you got a tap link card, you know. Well, I don't think she will see for tap link card, but either way, you see, if you got check tap link card, you know, did it, that means you know Paul.
So she have crush for a man at school now. And her book, me send her at school to take up a year 10, but she have crush. Alright.
Paul family rich, and you know.
Oh, Paul people are rich. We must find out how this Paul name. But anyways, go on to school, me now all up a time.
Yeah, alright. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. If I see her, you make me know.
Yeah, we make it know.
Alright. Hello?
What do you want to know? Come in! Hello, what I see, man?
Morning.
Morning.
You know, say, I come to talk to you about my daughter.
Hello, listen me now. I don't like when people come and check me to talk to me about them own a picnic. Right now, me have my own picnic that stress me out. Me snack my yard come tell you to talk to your picnic. What do you picnic now? Me can't help you now because me can't. From one.
Sir, just shut up and listen. Listen.
Yeah, but from
you
one.
Talk too much.
No, you come link me. You ask me about my picnic.
Because me don't see her on the road I got school already.
I want to ask a question now. You hear me about my picnic, what do you?
No, what go on there?
Me don't know if I your daughter, or for daughter, or for somebody, influencer. The little girl read what you know. I feel your daughter bring her down to the hospital and call me, you know. Yeah, but even now she's pregnant. Me then they have about 3 to 4 months. I did some
Say for
work.
a day and you must not see the girl go bad.
No, I don't grow her to be bad. I grow her to be good.
So like that, which picnic where you see her grow nowadays turn out good?
But hear me say what I know. So when me a forward now, me call her. She a run to go hide her belly and drop and lose the baby. So everything gone. But for your daughter, she not tell her. Your daughter not tell her what going.
Tell me what go on right now. Find me, can't find my daughter.
What is
For
that?
last night, me just that. As a matter of fact, yesterday morning she get up already for go to school. I don't see her back.
Me see that she and my daughter go to school yesterday.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I asked her daughter fear, look where your daughter said from the end of school she don't know where she go. She have let me know say if she had done a top link here, she done a this boy named Paul because she have some crush on Paul. I don't know who named Paul now. But she say I want short youth and them parents kinda rich.
Well, I don't know much, you know.
So I asked me, come ask her for over here, she sleep.
Nah, man, no, but no finish stay at my yard, man. We not do sleepover. No, we not do it. We make my daughter turn in her room by herself, and me turn in my room by myself, and the yard run the way the clean slate. If Pinky come over here, she can stay till it catch certain time. Can't turn till it catch 11 o'clock. Go to yard.
If ever know how it born me, I'll have to call my boss to tell him say me can't come in and work this morning.
So what you say?
So where she early.
Where is she?
Oh, me feel know she me that walk up and then I look for.
You allow her to sleep out?
Sleep out where? I first she sleep out.
At first she sleep out?
Yes. I don't something what she normal do, me don't know what happened now.
I don't know what to say to you, my friend. I don't understand. Me think of the difference you're talking about. Your daughter
no,
run
my
me.
uniform no wash me can't get for that work.
So that you worry about?
I know that me worry about, but she knows that me just get the job.
But me not understand. Where is your daughter?
I don't know. I she me the walk up and I look for. If me no find her so me have to go check Tapping parents them.
No.
If me no find her so me have to go over find out my Paul live and go up Gosh, they say she have a crush on Paul, you know. My daughter got school and I talk about crush before she got talk about her book.
For my daughter get pregnant and I know we don't know who will die. I'm not getting into the details because she have a life and that situation but she go to the emergency room and then do them. Though me just aside because of the trauma, me not bother mix up with the drama yet. But anytime everything go along, then I need to sit down and have a talk and find out how water walk pumpkin belly, what where she doing and who tell her to do it.
Who tell her to do it? Because me I cannot say nobody now to tell them a little picnic have to do nothing nowadays.
So if I get that, sorry, so your daughter have man then? You know?
I don't know. Your daughter made me know this man says she have a crush on Paul. And me don't know when it's every girl I know about crush. I know about man if you have crush on man.
Well, I can't help you. I want me to say I have a shoe out with some work idea.
See there, look at the time now. You know, I walk good on the road, go see if me see it.
Well, you have to do it, you have to do it.
Friend them and so on. So, if you see her, you let me know, you know.
Yeah, I don't know.
When they take you and say, big scene with the same size. I need it, man. I'm there. Stop playing face, eh?
This is saying a Buddha chain, a Buddha get a chain there.
You know my father come down what you say. I last skip time, you know. You have fear.
Where's your elastic?
Ready? Cause I'm
Broke here now.
broke me.
You mean?
You can't stay there. Come play.
Right.
Cause right now, I want to get the car warm, you know.
Righty! Give him two elastic.
So them there.
What's the mad?
Alright, watch.
She give me the spray on the sound wind them the boy there. Here?
Put teeth in my fan then.
Yeah, thief.
But this me use fan then.
And I take my elastic. I can't use no badness for me. Cause me a friend Paul.
No, we have me a friend, but me go win them first. So we go play, me go win them.
Me I go first.
Nothing that. Watch it.
Haha! You miss! You miss!
You missed to wash it. Almost, you know.
Yeah! Ah! Boom! God! 1 inch!
How about that?
Ha! You miss!
Oh yeah,
You miss! You miss! What's up?
Mine, you know.
No! Ah! Thiefness a work! Thiefness a work! Thiefness a work!
What many you want to take here?
Watch out!
Right now, so I get too hot right now, you know. I'll film them, I know. I'm gonna win them.
No! No!
I'm gonna win them. I'm gonna win them. I'm filming them. What you do? I'm filming them. Get them for me now. See? What you do? What you do?
You want me not?
Me your friend, let go of me head. Babe, still enough for that, you. Babe, still teach some for you.
Tell teacher, I'm gonna tell principal, I'm gonna go back up a class.
See a beat off on me.
Yeah, the phones here. So I know I'm playing out with you.
Tell me, father.
Tell teacher.
Shout out your mouth in our class. You never did that here. That's how you make me get in a problem with you.
You should have spit your mouth like whatever that catch you, girl.
But you are gonna like you know better girl than me and let me tell you something. The better girl that you're pretending to be, you're not, and is not a better girl than me.
Mama, let me tell you this. You just switch here. Know your place. Don't pass.
But you come in our class, girl, with your big mouth. Before you did just shut up your mouth and do the happy do. You come in and come out with argument with
Listen
me.
to me. Me do it for me. Why you hear that song now? Me see it from. Me tell us to get up. You get up and I want to argue.
You put your hand on your mama, put your hand
Hello,
on there.
business. That is my personal seat. I'm a song that's done.
Okay, when time me go back up, clap back my bottom in there, take me out.
Okay, baby.
Girl, excuse you.
Ryan, it's like a mop line.
Yeah. Most of them go. Then you can get back to ride now. Bike time and now. Over. Get back to ride one day. Right. Choose like night. Choose never ride a bike. Most of the luck pick up, man. One out of link. So your friend seen in a 2-5. But that's how you go. That's how game go.
I'm gonna fight, me never hurt you.
I'm one me about top there and knock me out.
Come know say you're a thief long time, Paul. But you're my friend.
Where them take them and go on till they have more than me. Tomorrow I'm gonna carry them back home.
I'm gonna make you keep them because me a friend.
Alright, yeah, give me more.
Well, I want an in glass the first. Can I get one tomorrow?
Let's see if we can thief one here tomorrow, but I know so we are panartists.
You know, if you tell him, say you give me, you know.
You know, tell them where you get it from. Because you're out of house.
If you tell him.
This time you're out of cup, you will lock you up. And say you're a thief.
No more cups.
Now tell them so we don't know nothing about it.
And if you rate me as a friend, here.
You wait a long time.
Because I have color skin and you don't have no color skin here.
I'm color skin too.
And they say, God love.
See
Oh,
skin
you come from the same place. Anunnaki. Yeah, I come from the Anunnaki place. Wow, you look so pretty.
Thanks.
I say I'm new to school and I don't want to get to know you more because your face pretty and I'm like pretty face girl. My father say, I'm not there with no ugly girl. When time I grew up, you get called now so I feel like I grew up.
And you know, sir, today me come in door.
When you're up in school, when I see her past lunchtime, God know,
Me see you too.
the heart feel. You just take a wow. So what's your name?
My name Titi, what I mean.
Titi. Jacqueline.
Nice to meet you.
Titi, the white and pretty.
Thanks.
No girl, no school, no girl from the school keep me pretty, so.
For real?
You have nails.
Yeah.
Wow.
No moment. Depends on me.
I'm
You got practice for me.
one boyfriend.
No. You have nails.
You're a virgin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy said, you to nobody, and nobody know if you touch me cocoa bread.
I could go one time with my ping pong, but. Boyfriend killer. Paul!
You know him?
Yeah, I'm a friend. I met my wear keep on me. On the car key.
Where are the woman?
Yeah, woman.
What you mean? I'm here there.
Me you know that at this morning me talk to you.
But you tell me not deaf with you. At this point, I talk to and tell you say you me for deaf.
Me and him no there for you.
Oh, me tell you we go to beach, go chill out and be a style.
Yeah, we did go, but I talk with the talk alone.
You talk to Paul
Yeah,
before me. Well,
because me never did know you.
you see beach flight cancel. If you like burger or Popeyes, it cancel too.
So Paula, what me did do when you talk to her?
This morning before we go to school.
Before you go to school?
Yeah, me see, me turn up on one part when she a pass and she just tap on her roost curl, but
But we know that. We
Me tell
only
you-
talk.
Me tell you daddy have bike and car and he give me one bike and a pocket full of money. Me don't care go buy a burger this evening.
You never tell me that.
Me never have to tell you.
You tell me say we are going to go beach or river me if you pick one.
You kiss him?
No?
Paula, now your girlfriend, because he not kiss
See?
you.
Me
Alright.
tell you.
We left. Fan today we left.
But we never there. I don't understand this.
understand if you do me that.
But me you never there.
Me you there now.
Me I tell me mother upon you.
Everything good. We left now.
It's no
Where?
fun, you'll get beaten.
Now talk to you again.
You talk to
Me and him not there for true.
talk to Paul.
Me and him not there.
You supposed to talk to Paul.
Don't be rude. He see me and me did say good evening and he see me and we did a talk and then he did a say he did like me and something but me did just did it turn up and he asked me say if he want me and him go a river or a beach but me I said no mommy did say me as soon as school over me must come home cause me no want get no trouble and he tell me say I did 12 o'clock so me I say in my mind say maybe mommy not go say no so me did that follow him.
You gonna be your boyfriend?
You want to be my boyfriend?
Yeah, cause my daddy give me color skin. And Paul now don't color skin.
Me
You see?
like him, me can touch him.
Yeah,
Bumper!
he nice.
Yes!
Daddy give me color skin. And daddy say I'm me alone at school. I go have color skin. And the boy them, I go bad mind me.
And my mommy did a practice near upon me and me like him.
Yeah,
So we can date. If I want
can boyfriend and girlfriend.
to. Yeah.
And then we take out my ping pong. You see me can have my ping pong. Come
Yeah.
on.
You want me hand.
You make Paul Bex.
But me and Paul not there.
Paul, I go take back your key.
Me can get one for you. You want me get one? Me have one right now and me have one extra one a yard.
Did you have one?
Yeah. Come on.
Like a vice.
You like it? But you can't give me. You have to talk to him. I'm not talking to him. I get right.
And you don't have no color skin.
Yeah.
So,
And I like your color skin. Yeah.
I'm more than lucky. I'm belly higher, so.
Me want you show me that.
Sure.
Yeah. Come on. I don't know. Why someone that takes so long? What the hell talking with me? Val. Oh, my face looks so ready.
You know my face looks so wet up me for.
I talk to me so anyways. You see Taplin come to school?
Taplin come to school.
Up at school, but never say he come.
You see like where they are so right now?
Uh-huh.
Don't move.
What you mean by me not
Me say
move?
don't move. You see who you ask for? You surely say who you ask for. Don't move, you know. Don't move.
What do you mean by
Me
that?
say don't move.
It's a cluffy, yeah. Hey, boy, me feel good picnic. Taplin.
Jamila,
What do you mean?
I'm a schoolmate.
School, mate? intense. Me not like that, you know.
You can't go and see Jamila.
School me.
Yeah, Jamila must say have a car, man.
No.
Yeah, she have a car, man. She got a
You have car, man?
Yeah.
Baby father that.
No.
Well,
You never tell me so you have baby.
Lie. Lie, man, tell me.
no. All along me I look for you.
Look for me.
They're only for woman. You like to go check on me.
You
What's that
never
mean?
tell
Look.
me say I have no girlfriend.
Lie, man, tell for me.
Sorry to eat like this.
We have one car, man. And we have more than one car, man, too. Car, man, pregnant her. And she try to lie for me.
You sure?
Yeah. And my friend did tell me about me get pregnated, too.
But how you never tell me so you know the girl here?
Because she not important. Her car, man, we talk about her. Come on.
Yeah.
Important.
Chat to you.
You see one
Don't talk to my boyfriend.
Don't touch her! Don't trouble me, I'm bully. Come on!
Ciao.
Nice at school, you know?
Yeah, today did nice.
I'm there play with Paul. One time I'm Paul teeth me last stick them, you know?
So you not take back for him?
No, I'm a friend, I'm have enough plastics and left him with them.
Eh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So how was it there?
It did alright. I will eat for lunch today.
You use my money buy elastic. You play elastic.
So I don't eat nothing.
No.
You want the $50?
You give money.
Me did walk and find it on the road this morning, so me did have it. I said me don't save if you carry it back home. But you not eat nothing, so me don't give you heat.
Because me did last me $250 and it look like I eat that.
You can buy something to eat, or you can buy sweetie.
Sweetie.
Yeah.
No, I can buy one gummy beer, like gummy beer.
Okay.
You see cousin? You know cousin me had, you know? She eat ramen noodle raw. Like, yeah. She think she weird. But she said she not weird, that's why she do it for her. She little and she not dead. She just pull the ramen noodle, take out the ramen in her mouth and bite it. And then enjoy season so night. You know, I have no family who stay so. My family is my best.
Tell me I want cousin where eat powder. And eat the powder, you just pull the powder and eat it. And I tell her, if you not do it.
That's not nothing. Everybody eat powder. That food. That food. Me have one auntie. My auntie eat raw flour. Don't throw flour in her mouth because he don't eat boiled flour. Because she say she untouchable. She throw raw flour in her mouth and then she throw water in there and she comes up and so light.
My cousin say one day when her mother and her father never buy nothing in her house, she see her daddy whistle in her room on the bed, and she say when they did come out her house, he go in there and take out it, and me say it did look like it tastes nice. And she take up it and put in her mouth, and when she chew up it, she say it tastes like cake. So she eat half pack of it and get beaten for it, cause his daddy say he never did fit trouble it.
Girlfriend, the story them boring. You feel like I want to drop asleep. But you make me talk. One day, we got one party. My uncle?
Yeah.
Auntie got the kitchen. And so if I don't want to eat, and I don't want breast food. Guess what uncle order?
What?
Guess what uncle order?
Chicken food.
No, you're too full food. The uncle order one cup of soup, curry on the top.
Well, you lucky,
My family them body love you.
No, my mother top tier chef, and she cook curry goat, she cook stew peas, she cook mutton and lobster and then something there, and then she have chicken and pasta on the side.
That's not nice. My father eat cold pot and my father eat food pot where you're cooking up. That keep pot nicer than the food. Your parents don't eat nothing nice. My father like eat, you know, cold when he use make fire.
That we kill him.
No.
Yes.
My father say my fireman.
No, when you eat the coal, you turn fireman. Yeah?
You're Superman.
No, you mix with dragon blood.
Dragon blood.
Yeah?
None of my family they no mix with
Your
that.
family there full.
It's a cartoon.
No? You get no out of cartoon. That's my family then stay. God make them with superpower. That's a boy with color skin. That's why you love me. And I have color skin.
Actually,
Father
I believe you.
Father have whole heap of blood in me. A green blood, me a red blood. Me have brown blood.
My mother have black blood.
If you love me, so in the old school. If you want baby so you can have color skin.
You want to give me one baby?
So we can make a meet the ping pong.
No. Mommy said then jump from the sky.
What jump from the sky?
Baby.
Oh, baby jump from the sky.
Yeah, mommy, tell me that.
So a fool Jamila and Pinky did a fool me. I could tell her somebody and say, don't tell nobody, you know.
I want you Pinky.
Someone tell you. Don't talk about that yet.
Tell me no.
Someone tell you.
You cheat on me?
No, my best friend.
Are you best friend?
I'm not no best friend no more, cause
Why? You no fight?
no, she got with shit, man. My man no got shit.
We shit man. So she not come back on.
You gonna left me, best. You gonna left me. I tell you one secret, but don't tell nobody, you know.
Alright, me promise. Pinky promise?
No, promise Pinky.
Okay. Tell me.
Pinky and Jamila said me pregnant.
You can't pregnant.
What I fool me?
Yes.
You think somebody did go?
Oh, you feel pregnant and mommy said then drop from the sky.
They trick me up and
Then
fool me.
they a prank.
When you prank?
When somebody tell you a lie and they expect you to believe it, but a joke them a make.
That name prank? They never say a joke. And they tell me say me go have baby in a 6th day. And tomorrow they gonna make 6 days sometime. I don't and lay down there and I'm feel my belly a roll. And I need to cry because I think say me go have baby tomorrow and then me tap come and school.
I guess.
When you guess in a car and bike, I'm fool me.
In your belly.
Guess in my belly?
Not that they kind of guess. I guess they make your head hurt if you don't eat nothing. One whole heap of ear we pack up in your belly and it will hurt you. And it rumble to sometimes you feel it move.
Ear in my belly?
Yeah. Remember say we breathe in and out.
You see how them me I breathe now?
You not breathe. Don't say that, you're a guy. Baby come from the sky.
You know, see you're pretty.
Thanks. Are you handsome?
You're prettiest girl over school.
With you?
Yeah, that's why you stop talking to them before you start coming to school.
Someone between you and Jamaican.
You never know her. She does a push up herself for me.
And she accused me for you.
She had been if it be her boyfriend. She write one letter and send one of her friend him come give me. I'm telling her friend say no. And she because she buy me lunch 2 times. And she always
She buy you lunch?
yeah, come money did last. And Paul thief sometimes and bully me. And Jamila bully me too. And me afraid of them.
Come here, me beat them up for you. Because they no fear take for your money. They got me too. So, when you, what time we are go? Because me I never go yet. You don't want me if we go sometime?
Yeah.
Cause Paul did I say he didn't carry me out one time and
No.
then he said,
No!
but me no want no go no with no Paul. Want go with you cause me love you. Yeah. And I want to be special.
Special like special cream crackers.
Yeah. And we eat biscuit and drink drinks.
chubby chubby.
Yeah, together.
Can buy a kiss cut too.
Now, baby, kiss her. Me love kiss her. Me love kiss her.
Kiss me.
Mwah. Where you go?
No, I'm good now.
And give me butterfly.
Maybe a butterfly.
Yeah.
Which part of there?
I don't like that. Butterfly is like a nice tingling feeling on his belly.
In your belly?
Yeah.
But me not put in a ping pong. So how you get tingle in your belly?
Me not be putting no ping pong. I want good feeling for sure. I say me love you.
What go in your belly?
No, me not make no.
So how you belly tingle? How you get butterfly?
Cause me love you.
Oh, that butterfly me?
Yeah.
Me catch. Turtle shell.
You get turtle shell?
Yeah.
What can you see?
No.
So you get
When
turtle
you see you
shell.
love me, I feel turtle shell.
And a turtle shell.
Oh,
A butterfly you catch
no.
too.
And you feel butterfly.
You know,
Boy, feel turtle shell.
And that name call it for boy.
Yeah, me want turtle shell back. See?
Bombard! Me never see realize.
Yeah. Me have a pink shell too. What?
Eh?
You tell her later. Come on, man.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Okay.
So how was it doing today at school?
It is alright, you know. Right now, my time is here.
So I'm going to sleep too.
I don't know if we go do.
You're going to bed.
Yeah. You can't talk.
You're going to bed tough now.
You have to go there because Mummy no want me to see you and you could do that because you see last boyfriend me didn't have. You live up in a make him up and you live one way boy have. You give me so much leak there.
Mommy tapping in to work.
Yeah, no wonder I'm talking. I mean, I want to put you in a problem now to get beaten.
So we reach close to your yard up on the lane you live.
Yeah, so we have right there.
Up on the lane you live too. So my father beat me too. He pushed me down in the house and turn up in my ears bell. Wait, come here. Get fast. Look at the ceiling.
Emma, in fact, where are you at?
I look for you for me go home.
I'm not going to go look for you.
What make?
Go on with the new woman or whatever.
I'm a friend.
I said, go on with the new woman or whatever. I'm in a business.
I'm a friend, Jamila.
Last time I checked on my classmate, though.
No, it's a schoolmate.
I don't business.
I'm talking to my mama. I shady beer, my chocolate. I'm a rose.
Yeah, what are you talking to me?
Yeah, I'm bullying me for. Come here.
No.
You
Not
can't
me
go
yard.
answer.
Excuse. Not me yard.
Jamila.
What?
Can I talk to you?
No business if you not chat to me.
I'm a chocolate for you again.
Diane.
Well, upon morning, me I look for you.
You're looking for a man, I'm at school, me I come from
That's why I'm stand up here so I wait for her. Because I know, say I pass this, I want to pass. I want to come out, you know.
So me can you wait me now.
Me ask about my daughter. And my daughter, I can't find her. And somebody tell me, say, she have a crush for you.
She can't have a crush for me. She could never have a crush for me. You know how long me I look her? You know how long me I look pink? You think I know me I look pink? Me I look pinky from what people fill up.
And you have the heart to turn up and start tell me, say, I look my daughter.
Yeah. Me I try me look and it not work. Me I take my father bike and take away bike how much time. See all the key here. See your girl come from the back of the bike, me go buy 2 burger or 2 papas or something or room. You know depend on that, you know what you go do? You go find other people's bike.
Oh, so she
Older
not
bike.
Then me
So
can't find her.
So probably I try. I don't even know if it's right now, but I don't know.
You sure?
Sure.
I don't know nobody else who Pinky would have go over there in yard.
Well, I don't know, you know.
We can't find Pinky from last night. For
Last night.
yesterday when she come to school, me not see her.
I must see man biking gone.
Which man?
One man I don't know him.
What the man? How the man look?
How the man look? Well, I even a 2 penny man too much, you know, but I know see one of them. I want brand new bike in my ride.
Pinky have boyfriend?
Me not tell us him have a boyfriend, but to him look, it's possible. Everyone wants to have a boyfriend. What happened?
You know, I got school, not supposed to talk about boyfriend and girlfriend on the book. That's on the dons.
You're mad.
On the book, you know, if you think about boyfriend and girlfriend. Well, why you have can get girlfriend?
In my pants there. In my
Let's
pants.
see if I didn't pick me just strangle you.
No, but you're man. You know my father always home.
I'm not business who your father be. Your father no more than me. I go and give your father a link, you know. I have to give because I don't believe you.
Yeah, man, I can't link
Because
you, man,
then tell me,
like
say.
Man, like how you my father like thick and some style and bass style back of that. So you can get a check man and so I can go on to you.
Somebody tell me say you have a crush on Pinky and Pinky have a crush on you.
Me did have a crush on her, yes. But me never have a crush on him again. Somebody else I like.
This is what do you
What
like?
you mean? Because Pinky now waste my time with Pinky.
Look boy, move on fast, move on fast. Move on. Can you piss me off?
Contact me and come and tell me about your daughter. I'm responsible for your
No,
daughter
Pinky
again.
be gone. Boy, you don't know Pinky. Are you sure say Pinky now another friend?
I don't know about Pinky lifestyle, you know. It's about my lifestyle.
Alright.
Alright, big up yourself.
Oh, Pinky be gone.
Jamila. Jamie.
Don't smile with me. Where are we at?
Jamie?
Wait. Will you ask you? Will you tell us where for me?
No bother with it. Cause if you run me to your yard again, me tell the girl at school, the new girl at school, the secret what we have. And I said me not fit talk. So you better me stay over your yard. And do what more and do.
Don't stop yourself. You snitch.
No!
Say that what else, my little.
Boy, I move like snitch because you know I'm over your yard again.
Reason why I don't want to me yard. From me father send me pregnant and me lose a pick me there. You do not answer your phone or you do not come look for me. You not tell them your body say the pick me when they in my belly. And I feel you. I feel car man. Which car man you talk about?
I'm really afraid me don't want to penny bite me.
How the hell pick me if you bite, you idiot? You stupid?
My daddy tell me say little baby always bite.
You say father taking a idiot.
No! If father teach me all the sense.
Fool!
I go tell Nanny and them mama fool and me no fool. Me no fool. Cause best friend how we bury? He say we dance together.
Help me to come back to the
Like birds. Flap in the
I don't
feather.
bother with you. Man, I'm laughing with you.
So me can't go on so.
I find you, woman.
No.
If I'm doing through my pregnancy or nothing.
Check. My father say white people write check and get paid in a check. So if you check and me don't have no check.
Alright, simple. You can't even check them code. Look for me then. Simple as that.
No, me there for she pay that copy.
No, I hear it.
My father, you don't let me get no beating.
You're full of excuse. You're full of excuse.
I'm gonna tell you the truth.
Shoot my father. Like last time me see you down the road, I one time me say, by the time me say tap link, you run gone. Eh?
Come on, it's afraid the baby bite me.
You're idiot.
Wait. Oh, you ask him tap link when the baby don't know. I'm gonna say lose the baby now. Alright? Okay.
Come on, afraid the baby bite me.
Idiot, young man. No, you're so stupid, dumb, everything in one.
Wait, baby.
Let's just tell some losing.
What you mean by lose? The only race they lose when them watch it on TV and see you see them go run.
Tell the baby it has. I have a miscarriage. Simple as that.
Miscarriage?
Means I'm not have the pitney anymore.
I don't miscarriage that name. That name Dasha Belly and E.T. No, miscarriage that.
Dasha Belly and E.T. means a little abortion or literally. What I say?
What abortion mean? You know what abortion mean?
What type of abortion me? Fix me a body.
Body in my ticks.
Body.
See, I love her, me no one. You see there, you fool me up.
I done for you, dummy.
You can't go inside.
No, I'm not in my house.
So what we are going to do?
Push me over to your family, my yard.
So me can't hit the water. Me sweat me come from far.
You come from far. After you come here and me said you back at your yard, you come back to me yard.
Jamaica!
Now I don't deal with you.
And do the pay blues?
First of all, after
Fool!
I was eating before.
Look me.
Please and take it.
Have you called what I do the every night?
Tapping, please and take it.
Alright, can't fit man.
No. And I'm gonna look for your new woman.
You come like you want me talk with secret. You come like you want me talk. Alright, me nah need. And go.
Hello, little boy. Come right here, so. Want to talk to you. A Pinky there.
Pinky.
Come here, so me I talk to you about Pinky like you don't know Pinky. You don't know Pinky?
Me can't go on so.
When my daughter then, me not see my daughter from yesterday morning. She left to go to school and somebody tell me so if they not over Jamila yard, over your yard then they.
No miss. Me not seen Fanty before yesterday, miss.
You not see Fanny before yesterday. So you and Pinky not go same school.
Yeah, but
So how you not see Pinky and Pinky your friend?
like she school with boyfriend, miss.
She school boyfriend. Which boyfriend that?
She have 3 boyfriend, miss, cause she said she want 3 scholarship.
3 boyfriends.
Scholar.
3 boyfriend.
Yes, miss. And you go with one man who got ship.
You go with man have ship.
Yeah.
Listen to me now.
Got me here at school.
That's the way you hear me. Pinky are your friend. What Pinky there?
She said me and her best friend again. She tell me that in 3 days back, and me go home and cry. And my father say, you know if you cry for friendship.
Here. Penny, you how much year old now?
13.
I go on so.
What do you mean?
What you mean by what do you?
Father say me have color skin, and you don't have no color skin, and then Pinky now no color skin either. That's why she get jealous and stop her with me.
So I face yourself with me.
No, my father say me have color skin, Pretty color.
Look boy, you say if I see Pinky, you come tell me. I hear something live.
Me not gonna see her again because she said me and her friendship end.
You and I guys see him school, no more about. Cause me just see Pinky fine yes. Jesus Christ, Pinky want mad me out, you know man.
She skull school, she not come
What you mean by Pinky at school?
She gone with one boyfriend because she said Jamila boyfriend have car, so she want to fear her boyfriend.
So Jamila her boyfriend?
Yeah, one boyfriend with car, so she said she want one boyfriend with ship.
She want boyfriend with ship?
Yeah.
So she got with man with ship? Yeah. Alright.
And she said she didn't want to take it in the front Jamila. It's color. Scholarship.
You don't want to take his scholarship on Jamila?
Yeah. And he said, if you got TV, and when I go down there and I look feet everywhere, and I never see scholarship in her house.
So if you and Pinky are not friend for how much you do your back, how you got to scholarship for Pinky?
Look at it for 3 weeks her back. You don't see her back again.
You sure you see Pinky?
Don't lie. I'm telling you the truth, miss.
Really go and move fine from me, move. Go and buy your business.
This man color skin.
Go buy your business. But for you say a color scheme, damn fool.
Evelyn. How are you sit down with us now? Fan mash up. So now take off a school uniform. I judge night.
Me hot. I'm just reach. What are you?
Go big up. You know you catch now. It's sun hot for morning. So you know it's cool off, but you take off your put on your yard clothes. I mean, you know your style still. You know the uniform. I go wash and something. Alright, easy step. Go and do your do. So you say you find mash up, you find mash up now.
But come here and see it mash up.
Alright.
But you want me left here?
Hear me I say to you now. You know say you claim say you're a big woman now because you're a teenager. Teenager old. Who got you pregnated the other day? Me know all the conversation. Because your mama should talk about it. Since your mama not chat about it, me have got reason about it. How get her pregnant?
Tell you something, I not tell you about that.
You not tell me how? It's a mystery somebody. But them can't cost to them load. You know, I think they have them here about for now. They're going to move for one night time then. The way them load, I see her talk to me loud too. But one at a time, you know, you must expect a box, punch, or a kick, you know. Because for your father, I'm going to buy one special belt for you, one leather, thick one.
Do that.
Me get pizza
Do
like
that. Do that. I can't inspire you.
That's good. That's good. Because we don't care about that. So you may say no. Don't do what you do. And look about something for yourself to eat because I have a date tonight. There's a nice female that been admiring your papa.
I wish woman really look for you if we go there with you.
I went into the bank earlier today to check my account, and where the account goes up, boom, with the piece of money with Japanite. The woman does seem that the accountants and they tell them, be a green, them a green their teeth. So I'm pretty one today. Start talk to me a certain way. So I'm pressing one number, them she hold on for my hand and me and say, rare, I know some money she want, but she go get where she get before she get $1. And you don't know your father. You can't cheat me like your mama cheat me. Your mama cheat me. See that? See? This is the trick. You can't have money and just flashy. When you have money, you're just like this. Look at the worst. If I was people out, you know, go in a bank, you know, some step in a bank, you know. Most people look for me. Oh, funny, man, like in their teeth. And for them bank account heavy like mine. No yourself, man. When I plan to do, I plan to take out one AC, put in a room for you. You can cool down.
That's even much better.
If you study your book right, then we make a practice. You stay in a cold, you still go to Canada.
You say who got Canada?
No, work over there for you. Make real money. I'm
me go freeze cold.
America then. How about America? Yeah, you love.
Just go on. Just go on.
Like, you know,
just go on.
Sense.
Just go on.
You don't have 1 cent.
Yeah, wrong with you. Ugly and shape like I say man if I road.
Take an evening walk. Okay. I saw you live.
Where do I do that?
I want me. I want to consider here, so. Remember when me did little and me did maga dog and me I suck in and me got when big. How you used to bully me and deal with me? Yes. Is this a same girl here? Make me tell you this. Just after me go which part me go and me come back with my thick and strong body, I want to come try step to me.
So okay.
I know that. Deal with me like how you went deal with me back then.
So okay, through your thick ass check your feet so I'm gonna do you nothing.
Yes, girl. Me want you step to me cause you're big but I'm bougie.
Is it true me not have time for you because me tired? Me tell you. I just beat you one time you over school.
It's me angle things now. Yes, everything me here say. A little birdie pinch me and tell me say you wanna breed. Yes, and you drop and lose the pitney. But don't worry about that. Me all here say you forget one what they call the gifting thing there. Yes, me come about that too. So me want you know say it's me. The bad girl run things right. I know that. So you want to try?
Who tell you that?
You don't have to worry about that. And that's gonna be thick like Yumkin. I know that. Step to me. Step to me. How you feel your bad? Remember, see me, you know, call bones, you know. Look on me. Body good. Everything good. Ear good. What do you? Little girl, I know that. I know that, girl. I know that. Me I make she know say me come back cause she when I bully me when time me in a 1 grade and I call me bones I want back
at your maga you shape like a bone.
Well no me take up and look like young king so me wanna know what y'all try do.
Hey, next friend this year again?
No next friend this year.
Who is she though?
Yeah. Wait one, where's the bully she?
There's a bully every show?
Yes, she when I bully me and now me come back about her.
But you know bigger you know. So you done off of them bully business there. Bully in a pen.
Worry me in my
so
yard.
no come at the yard with that there's something there. You understand? You know if you think about better life. Go on inside. Go on inside. Where your mama there?
My mother and I home.
Are your mother live with?
Yes.
Go on over to her and tell her some need to meet with her. Alright? Tell her I said the neighbor. I will come over there so.
Yes.
I see your mama cock up so.
Yes.
You want to step forward over there. Go on, listen. Tell your
And
mama
tell
to
her
say
that
hi.
say,
Don't worry about she, man. We go put her in a line. Just let me get your mama. Go through.
Power.
You know what? Me and him man go on a date.
You go try for yourself.
Listen now, boy. Daughter, you go inside.
I know.
Listen now. You to bully her for true.
I
Why you be a bully the people when finish that? You ain't there again.
I got calm watch.
Listen now. You
I don't want to hear nothing
you know
from
what?
you.
You go be a stepmother.
Be a stepmama.
This your mother go be a stepmother.
Feel pretty. The day when you left town, you got me friends with my stepmama. You shall come and see this house bundle with them in here, right?
No, they're not over here, man. Me are over the yard and the two one go over here. The two girls them go live over here. Cause the space now go over there. Who went firelight over there?
Nobody now they over here. No shoot.
Over here, so now I'm burned down. And over here, you go burned down.
Oh, is he over there?
You and the daughter go over here, so.
No.
You don't go make friends.
Well, guess what?
Listen, you bully her in the beginning.
Guess
no more
what me
bullying.
say?
No.
Me I like this green area get locked out too. Cause
Okay.
nobody not tired over here.
Listen something to you. You are going some bully. That's the one thing to you. It's like I love I self for me. I go make that thick as there. Deal with it in here. As long as we get our mother,
And then when
we
time
go.
she touch me, I go tell mommy, I know some mommy not around come out to me. I know me and she not agree, but you see you
Calm down. Your father needs therapy. Go inside.
happy me fat. Come back on the road. Now
Your
look
father
at
needs
man
go through. Your father needs therapy. You're not stop my happiness. bright and facey. My girl look good, man. Let's talk about it.
Serve. Serve.
Hello.
Hello. Can you have no chubby? Can I get one chubby, please? I want chip. You cool? You no cool one? If you can't find no cool chubby, if you have bigger, give me.
Big one. Oh no.
Yeah, how much everything?
It's everything I think you want to.
You say I feel
200. 320.
200? Me got under this sir. Me never want this sir. Yeah, thanks. So where really are this in the school for them?
See me woman now. See me woman now, she me a wait pan. She me there all the way
This-
from morning.
This.
And my ex just come pull up and come ask me one more question.
Who asked you back a question?
What kind of question?
I don't
Me there from
want.
back in the time, you know what we used to do.
Me say hey, yes
Because he let
sir.
me down.
Hello, me say hey, yes
One
sir. Oh,
time
me
in
say
a
they
wall,
too man.
when me and him fit there.
So yeah.
Them never go so. Them never go so.
See me a wait pan, darling. But anyways, you like come to today, you know. You like come
Oi. The maid is
You want me to
talk.
be girl? Go on.
Hello, the maid is
Girl, me say
talk.
go on, girl.
Hello,
Ease up.
Miss, we don't want a man again.
Ease up.
We want a man again.
Ease up.
So I try to.
You me a wait pan. You must
Me
have
talking
my
to you. Why you talk? Me to talk.
Here.
Talk.
Girl,
Where you push me for?
excuse. Can I see me at? Is my man.
Angry.
Oh.
Is my man. Where you do your
This is
something?
where you give me that for all for?
Well, I'm for this there.
Cause like you're me a war.
Me and your man.
I'm ex.
No, cause I feel me and your man. When you push me
You make him and
off.
them mock him to me.
No man them up me.
You shut up your mouth, you know, cause you
Stop raise your hand.
girl. I want
Stop raise your hand.
the girl. Let the girl.
Beat her
So why you me a war?
You just so.
You woman can't finish
Shut
your
up,
man
I'm
the cap.
gonna lick you in your face too.
The blood
Can
clot.
you turn up that chat to this a scoundrel here?
Me don't feel what being to
Darling.
beat him. You shut your mouth. Kind of sense this a cause of a man. I war for him. Kind of sense.
No.
Cause you there. Remember me yesterday though.
What you mean we are still
And
there?
you there, so turn up
Remember
with
Faith
you.
on
Me
mockers.
Remember me.
Yo, B.
You no go so.
What you deal
No,
with?
call me no be you there, so talk to
Are you me a
woman.
wait pan?
You there, so wait for me, but you find time to talk to this.
You must see a mic
Fine,
outside,
let me
no?
talk to this.
You must see a mic
Girl,
outside.
oi. I him for what? Stop that talk
Girl.
with me.
Yo.
No, but you
Yo,
make me
yo,
date
Come
him
and
up.
fight him.
Make me
Deal with
date
her
him.
now. You make sure I deal with her now.
Give me that.
Me date him up.
Deal with the girl, man. Then you can't deal me after.
No.
You
beat
gonna beat her because you there, so talk to this.
How you there? So talk to this. I'm here to
You see my
talk.
call of this. You my call of this.
Like,
Let me
me
call her this.
So what you can't make girl this, yo?
She not this me, I turn you on, I turn you round.
Let's talk it.
And
More
this year, this
option.
year.
Yeah.
With the
Yo.
Yeah, we learn.
We left it true this time. I mean, now but I can't go on no river. No river, no KFC, no burger. If you follow bike, me not carry up on again. I'm follow by car, you're not doing it neither.
Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, but down to the Wagwan. Big up. Say down to the dog, them. Most High and I roll through. Yeah, man, hold tight. Yeah, man, body down to the ground, man. It'll take a time, and we're there, hold it off. Put in the work as usual. Yo, give thanks to make it to the end. You know what I mean? And you know, so the raffle is here again. So, remember, do the right thing. You know what I mean? And we keep on fighting. Who keep on fighting us. You know what I mean? But anyway, we roll and pursue. So this month end, we're going to Kingston. Kingston City look out for us. You know, so I'm planning to do a series up in Kingston. You know what I mean? Something different that I've never done before. So I'm looking forward for that. You know what I mean? Rent out to Airbnb and find some people who be in our movie with me. Yeah, man. So now stay tuned for that as I start write that in the pipeline. Yeah, man. So me, Popeye, and maybe 2 more actor and actresses is gonna be up in Kingston, Mountain. You know what I mean? So we're going to see what I want. Me make you know what I go on still. Yeah, man. As we go along, give thanks to life for Jah. Remember, you know, the 4 number them in the movie. Write them out. Leave your comment. We now start the raffle on each of the movie them until the movie them comments go over 500. So it's very easy. One somebody can put in 100 comment and make it go easy. So 5 somebody can carry it over. Because I need it to be like that. Alright? Let's go. Comment as much time as you can to win. Remember, it's not 10,000 this time, you know, it's 30 and it's worthy. Alright? Let's go. Burn it down to the ground.